Hey guys, so your girl Dama, I'm back to bring you guys another video. This is the first of the new year 2019, so happy new year everyone. This is my first pickup of the year and I'm super excited. I mean, this is my first pickup of 2019 and it's a great pickup. So we starting off the new year completely on the good foot. Okay, I ordered it from this company, Asphalt Gold, and they shipped out super fast. For these to come from Germany, these shipped out super duper fast. I ordered them on, I believe, Friday and they were here. Today is Tuesday, so you be the judge. But let's get into it. Ooh, oh, this is cute. So they sent a little baggie. It has some stickers and a little pack of gummy bears. I love Haribo gummy bears, so it's like a little thank you package. It says thanks for your order, and it has some cool stickers in it and a little pack of gummy bears. This is super cute, super cute. By the Chinese New Year's, this year is the year of the pigs, so Vans came out with a collab and they created a year of the pigs line. So this pair is my favorite pair out of the whole line. If I can get the other pair, I'll try to, but this pair was like, oh my god, these were the oh my god pairs for me. So I got these in a size US men's, women's size 7.5, and in Europe, if you want to order off the site, my size 6 would be a size 38. So just in case if you want to, you know, convert your size, and I'll link their site below if they still have them on sale. I'll link them below so you can pick up a pair. But these are the year of the pigs. It says Vans and Purlicue, the fat year. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correct, but this was. And this. So when you first open the box, you have 2 pairs of laces, 2 pair red and white laces, and you have the Vans symbol, Vans sign, because they're Velcro, so you can actually take them on and off. So you get an extra red pair, and the Vans off the wall sign is super duper jumbo. Again, it's a pig, so everything is like blown out of proportion. But here's the extra Van sign, so you can swap them out. The 2 laces that come with it. And here are the 2018 year of the pig Vans. I just love these. They're actually like a red and off-white. They're not red and regular white, so it's kind of a creamish color. But these are what they look like. You have the suede toe box. They're coming up more brighter on the camera. I'm not sure why, but they're a little more darker. They're coming up like a reddish orange, but they're not really a reddish orange. And as I was saying, you can actually change the Van sign on the side. You can change it. So it comes with the regular red one. Sorry, it comes with the regular white one, which is all leather. And you can change it to the red one, which is a red suede. Then when you get to the back, mind you, it's a pig, everything's fat. So here's the Vans off the wall sign that's super like blown out. It's super fat. Like, these are hella dope. Then when you go on the inside, you just have the little picture of a pig on a skateboard, and it says the fat year with the pig. Ooh, this one shoe has so much. Hold on. And then, just to add another touch, when you look at the bottom of the sneaker, it says the fat year in black. Like, these are so fire. Like, I love these. So these are the VANS Old School Chinese New Year, Year of the Pigs. These are dope, 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 dope. This is what they look like. But thanks guys for tuning in for my unboxing, and I will definitely see you guys in another video, so stick around because there's more to come for me. Okay.